Hey guys, I hope you can hear me okay. I'm going to turn this mic up. Okay. All right. So, okay. So, I made a unit, and when I make my units so that they can fit my head perfectly. They are customized to the size of my head, and I also make them so that I'm in perimenopause, so I can't wear the other wig caps because they're just too hot. Okay, so I make my own wig cap as well because I need something that's thin, that's breathable, and that won't make me hot. So this is one of the units that I made for myself. I've been making these units for myself for years. I also make these for some of my clients as well. And I take their measurements and I make them to the specifications of their head size. So it fits them perfectly. It fits like a removable sew-in. So basically the same steps that I would do to them when I do their sew-ins, I do on the unit. So it's basically like they're getting a sew-in that they can take with them. And when they don't have me, they can put that same sew-in back on their head. That's the concept, okay? Um, but it's it's a removable sew-in is what I call them. So anyway, um, this is one that I made, and I am going to show you guys. I have some clips on me coloring it. This is actually the hair that I have in this unit is hair that I purchased from Jace Beauty. Because I purchased a few bundles from Jace. I ordered a couple of more. And this is actually just one and a half bundle. One and a half bundles and a 13 by 6 lace frontal. Now the lace frontal is not from Jace Beauty. But I did find some hair that mimicked the texture a little bit. It's not the same quality. However, it does match. It does look nice, but it's not the same quality hair as the Jace Beauty hair that's in the actual frontal. But I'm okay with that. Um, I'm okay with that because majority of the hair is the Jace Beauty hair. Okay. And this is a nice unit that would look really, really, I like the color. The colors give you that autumn feel. You know, it's like an autumn color unit. So I have more Jace Beauty hair, but I've used that hair. The hair is color black. So I wanted something with a little color in it. So that's why I went this route. Okay. And what I did was I colored it. I colored the bundle, some of the bundles black. I colored the frontal, the roots of the frontal black because I wanted it to be dark in here, and then I wanted some lightness to come out of the dark. Okay, I wanted some lightness to come out of the dark. So that's the that is what I um had in mind for this particular unit. You know, that was my inspiration. You know, so I wanted it to be dark underneath and then have some light coming out of it. So that's what I did. So yeah, I think this is gonna look great for the fall. But I'm gonna put it on today. Okay. So if you want to watch me install this customized removable sew-in, stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I have on my wig cap, and this is the unit, and it is very lightweight. Okay, very lightweight, and I'm gonna show you um, the construction, which is, like I said, is made to the size of my head. I make a mannequin mold after taking measurements. I make a mannequin mold to mimic my head or my client's head with the same exact measurements. And I make the unit on that particular mannequin. Okay. And I name my mannequins by names of my clients and by head size. Okay. by their measurements. So anyway, so this is the inside. See that? It's very, very lightweight. It's netting. It's very breathable, very comfortable. Okay. And that's another thing. I need something that's breathable, comfortable, and it can't be really like really tight around my head and squeezing and all that stuff. Because I am in perimenopause and things irritate me more than they used to. Okay. I get irritated by things kind of quickly. I have hot flashes. Okay. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and put this thing on. Now, also, I make sure that the band that's on it, I always measure my clients from ear to ear around the nape to make sure that when I install the band, I know what, what length the band should be. I also make sure I take my measurements from ear to ear across the hairline so that I can know exactly where to cut the frontal. All those things. But I explain all that stuff to my clients and I get their measurements. So it fits them perfectly. So when they leave, the sew-in that they would normally have stitched down to their actual head and their braid pattern, they can take it with them and they can take it off when they feel like it and put it back on when they feel like it. It's a removable sew-in, okay? Same concept. All right, so let me put this thing on. All right, so comfortable. Yeah, pull that down. Okay. All right. Now I have a mirror here, so okay, we'll pull that jank back. Yep. So I still got some knots on here that I need to get off. But I ain't gonna worry about that. I do that with makeup. Okay, so it's very comfortable. It's secure. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use. I ordered some of this Frontal Queen hairspray, Frontal Queen melting spray. So I'm going to use this to secure my unit. It's very secure in the back. Very secure. Very snug, but comfortable. Very comfortable. Okay. So I'm going to spray the spray and I'm going to spray the spray and I'm going to pull some of my hair, my baby hairs out because my baby hairs, as you can see in the camera, they stop right here. I can't put my unit on and have the lace way on here on my eyebrow. I cannot wear it like that. It's not comfortable for me. It doesn't look natural. That doesn't work for me. I understand that some people can have it all the way across. Like I cannot do that. I cannot wear it that way. It does not look natural. It does not feel natural. So I'm just going to take this hair and move it out of the way like this. Okay. Just kind of section that off. All right. Let's just move my little flyaways. Move those out. Okay. I'm going to move closer so I can see. So, I still see a little bit of like knots here that probably got colored when I was coloring it, but it's okay. I can just put some makeup on it. It's not a big deal. So, pull that out, section that off. This is the way I like to do my unit, okay? Because like I said, my hairline is kind of, I have hairs that, I have a low hairline here. So, this is the way I like to do mine. This is the Frontal Queen melting spray. So let me get that, and let me get my elastic band to hold it down, and I'm gonna get a hair dryer. We're gonna use that as well. Okay. All right, so I got my hair dryer, I got my band, I got my spray, and I also need some gel. Okay, so this is the hair. The only product I have in this hair is Cream of Nature curling mousse. Okay, and some water with a little conditioner in it. So this is the only product I have. The hair is still wet. I would say it's about 90% dry. It's almost totally dry, but it's still a little damp. But I'm tired of fooling with the diffuser, so I'm gonna leave it here. I think it looks good enough. I will let the sun continue to dry my hair. So I hope you guys like this. This is one of my removable sew-ins that I make for my clients, and I also make them for myself. And I do this from time to time. I might wear one on camera, but they're very easy. It's a protective style. There's no stress on your hair. A sew-in can be a little stressful sometimes with, all of the stitching and pulling and the tension. So this is a way to have a tension-free protective hairstyle, and it still doesn't look wiggy. It still gives you the sew-in look. Okay, so I'm going to turn around and let you see. Okay, hopefully you can see it. I might have to get up. I'm not sure. Can you see it? So this is what it looks like. Okay, and as you can tell, it doesn't look heavy. It doesn't look wiggy. It looks just like my sew-in. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me demonstrating how I install my custom made removable sew-in units that I make at Accessories LLC Beauty. Accessories Beauty LLC. Good Lord. Anyway, guys, check out my website if you're interested. If you happen to be in the Richmond, Virginia, or DMV area, give me a call. My contact information, I'm going to leave a link to my studio. I have my own hair studio. So I do private consultations. I do private appointments. I don't have an open to the public hair studio. So it's only by appointments, and it is a one-on-one session. So I will talk to you guys later. Oh, and by the way, a lot of my clients have alopecia, hair loss issues. So they really appreciate the fact that my hair studio is private. There's no one there but you and I book my clients out at least 4 hours apart. So I only have a few time slots available a day. So I keep it that way because I like to keep it private. I like to keep it one-on-one. I always tell my clients, we are going to do your hair together because we're going to walk through what the issues are, and you're going to tell me exactly what you like. And I'm going to listen, and I'm going to try to create what you want as far as the hairstyle that's appropriate for you. And I want to make sure that you know how to take care of it when you leave me, okay? All right, so if you're interested in Accessories Beauty LLC, I also, these are some of my lashes. I also have a few lashes on my website as well. So if you're interested in taking a look, check me out, guys. And please share this video and subscribe to my channel. I've been doing this since 2008, okay? And it would be nice to get some appreciation by getting more subscribers, spreading the information and spreading my channel out to other people who may be interested and who can find some knowledge from my channel. It is a more mature woman's channel. However, I think I have a lot of things to share with those who are younger as well. So please share my channel. I would appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.